In the last few years, North Korea has proven that it has the technologically sophistication to develop a nuclear weapon, and while its missile technology barely give it is the ability to target the American West Coast, it is more than capable of raining nuclear fire down on its regional enemies Japan and South Korea. In 2018 has been reason to hope that a military conflict between the United States and North Korea would be avoidable, yet after two summits between President Trump and Kim Jong-un, we are no closer to a resolution to nuclear crisis on the peninsula. So today we are talking about United States versus North Korea military comparison. Firstly, we are talking about military expenditures. United States total military budget 610 billion US dollar, but other side North Korea total military budget is just 15 billion US dollar. States use 3.1% of GDP in military and North Korea use 21% of GDP in military. Yeah, it's little bit shocking. Fine, let's talk about manpower. United States total active personnel 1.28 million and North Korea total active personnel 1.19 million. United States total reserve personnel 8,11,000. Other side, North Korea total reserve personnel 6 lakh. Let's talk about land forces, and it's most important for any nation. United States total number of tanks 6,393 and North Korea total number of tanks just 6,000. United States total number of fighting vehicles 41,760 and North Korea total number of fighting vehicles only 4,000. There is a huge ahead for United States. United States total number of artillery 3,269 and other side North Korea total number of artillery cross 30,000. Yeah, little bit surprising but so true. The next important thing, air forces. United States total number of aircraft 12,304 and North Korea total number of aircraft is just 906. I think there is no comparison between two nations. United States total number of fighter aircraft 457 and North Korea total number of fighter aircraft 349. States have 587 attack aircraft but North Korea have 154 attack aircraft. United States having 4,889 helicopters and North Korea total number of helicopters 202. Let's talk about one more important thing, and that is Navy. United States total number of aircraft carriers 20, North Korea 0. United States total number of submarines 71 but North Korea total number of submarines reached 75. That's pretty good. Now let's talk about most important thing, and that is the nuclear power. United States total number of nuclear weapons crossed 6,185 but North Korea total number of nuclear weapons is just 15. Guys, what you think about who's most powerful nation, North Korea versus United States? Definitely easy answer, I think States. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends, and please hit the subscribe button.